Mbari ngol ngali konton ngali bismillah ko teke ka bondin ka jadlat na banda ba fama ne kita nak bar butun mota nan ko teke pour ka cha mul fe kolla mul yalon kolle be kering banku fulo be sire min kan nyim banku fulo lu dana kan be mu kiri multi ba o kan mun ka foja wala ka foja and we are interrelated o kamala ku jama mi yalon kolle be fokan banku fulo la koto surtout masakunda mu yalon ko wala be Senegal amen keda president on ala vice president Temoti Jomai Faye ni Ousmane Sonko well ngamu mira ko kono fintinan pour ka cha mol fe na hakilo to surtout politiko ndelle ba kono ndelle ka politiko ke ndelle banku dingol tim ndelle lafta banko eta nyato wala nan ka dum politiko kono o kono dak be mol konto na keten to ke jeyi mi yalon ko le ka la moy banko kono wani banko fana bantala yo ngajele wala nga moyle ko mi yalon ko le keta Senegal these past days wala munde fo kan for a while now mun geta Jomai aning Ousmane Sonko Temoti fonata moy president Jomai Faye fintita adiamta aning Sonko Temo ngaje ko this is just a replica of what happened in the Gambia Kaboni 2018 2016 wala stafula Kaboni 2017 after Adam Barrow was elected on the reference stand only what happened in Gambia the reference stand only daboning president Adam Barrow Temo kol miliyalon ko leketa fo Barrow keta president wati anin kol miliyalon ko leketa fo Jomai keta president wati la dawolo nya pour Adama ke president wati Adama e memfo dabo to yala Adama lolo pour ay ke president wati ay sembo mun ke dabola ay to use nyaminna ay UDP use nyaminna UDP ya support nyaminna the same thing mo leketa president Jomai Faye and then Ousmane Sonko and then also Pastef Senegalese support Nyamin because of Ousmane Sonko because everybody believe ko Ousmane Sonko le alondi ngita Jomai Faye and then Jomai Faye ya itende mola ko Ousmane Sonko le alondi but in Naraje recently fintita itende roche ko he was voted in but not by Pastef natara Pastef lem num fango because wala recipe se wo ma take president recipe se sa fonya dile wala kaito Pastef la party la kaito wo ma tina take the president now he was elected by coalition for Jomai president ning kabiru mu jamaya mo a lot of people felt disappointed and hadamadi ala karola ninga politiko boni hadamadi ala karola ko be mo hadamadi mo leti mbe ko kunta koleyata nyawnyan to nyanta sabati la maltema but the bad and the worst is issue in these cases ngata ya tale nga monto nga sembala using politics nyemu kuleti mi yalonko ani hadamadi ya manta nyemu kulet mi yalonko anim tonya manta nyemu kulet mi yalonko ngata nyawonyang tonya tano ening jamfa wala belari nga konyen koma now let's take it step by step monketa Adama Barrow ning Alhaji Hussein Lokoti in the Gambia and also United Democratic Party supporto munke Barola anai minke UDP la jani wobe sila Macky Sall ani Ablaye Wade Temo. This is our politics of deception, politics of betrayal, politics of lies, politics of fabrication, and politics of betraying the masses that had believed in you. A lot of Senegalese mi yalonko bi ni kuni koiko ye Jomai mutanyami na kununko ba anim bi ay akata nyamin ay Senegalese bitse nyamin niafu mo Jamai and 90% of them ibafule ko nene mo mira And Adama Barrow banko dingol mun keta Gambia dingol ta ye betray nyamen. Ay UDP betray nyamen. Ay Alhaji Hussein betray nyamen. A lot of Gambians ni nyinin kay ba ko we never thought of that. Because Barrow ya fight when he was coming in power, he portrayed a person me yalonko. I attended Conte, I'm innocent and I'm a very honest person. Now, what happened in this whole situation is when UDP was electing Adama Barrow, their selection flag bearership for a candidate, they had a candidate that they had a choosing candidate that they believe ko ninga tambindi lafta min na be wala kala lafta banko ta nyame na be tala wala nyama be banko fa salale and he will listen to the people, specifically molmuli alon kolle karte faya no wolle ya to mombra nyaton kayake. Adama initially, he himself had the confidence that he was with United Democratic Party. I want people listening to me very attentively. Adama was with UDP. He was part of UDP until they came to conclusion that Adama need to resign from UDP and lead a coalition. This is when Adama started having this second thought. Tonyalem, I am from UDP, and I was selected in UDP to lead the coalition. But now I am not UDP because I am leading a coalition. You will not find them in the picture, but their voice is echoing underneath. Ya Adama believe in the Yinela. They do not elect you. They are not the source Muyalonko Iketa present in the Gambia. You are voted by the masses because you were leading the coalition. Jending Adama Bondijang, and he was taken to Mali and sworn in Senegal. These people started implanting that idea in him, implanting that concept in him. Well, Adama he came with this mindset that I am not a president of United Democratic Party, but I am the president of people that came together as a coalition to make me win the election. Even when United Democratic Party believed at 100%, a whole lot of people, they were in UDP and they are supporters of United Democratic Party, believe that including myself, believe that Adama was our candidate and he was elected by the coalition, but majority of the people mulketa UDP dingolti, then Adama concept bentella he is part of UDP and UDP dingolemati. Adama was not sharing the same ideology. By that time, Adama was already out of United Democratic Party. But instantly at Itanjinola, konyene Montelod lati. Bari anindia mul be fintla Fabakare nyine fonye, Sidi Njaye nyine fonye, Ismaila nyine fonye, Bakare nyine fonye, I will be that those are made of stories. The reality is not said publicly. Senegal fananto. People that our presidents listen to, ni keta president, are not people mulialonko kabiri kalafikela president are seen within their circles. But the moment we get a president, those are the very first people mulialonko they see and talk to them and listen to them. When you need support, you gain it from the people mulialonko bulol me kolbe. When you need support, you gain it from people mulialonko, they are the electorates. People that love you and then they love you genuinely. Banita fo yifuta makamu wala kumaya dulato. Ikaje kumodole kana surface dulado to. Yenai kudo dundi sondomo kono. Miyalonko is far apart from the reality. Akita mo jamala. It happened to Adam. It happens to for example, atodum fan taliben suda talib bibi animul be kukilim bi I can guarantee people animul be kukilim nying karafawol ni nyen fenkol mul yalan ko be bulari nganoma he is not listening to them. The actual idea mi yalan ka katama walla anisi di am no tennido barabe la moy kamilla those people are not seen in the same world damantara kolko. This is what happened to Adama. This is why Adama believed that ko until muli yalan ko ngarfe fa nga ke president until ma ke president modo le ke president muli ya ke president wolleng mol muli yalan ko le coalition o kono sa jamal len coalition o jamal le carte fa. These are the people that made him believe that UDP have not done anything for you. Now, ilabanta minekela yaning alaji usenu sosundi nyoka. Fo futo mu yalon ka be tema political futo mu yalon ka be tema a futo nyimbanta. Ani UDP la futo banta. Kalo platform wot ka kumo fay alaji usenu kan. Ka pare ka doya kayta ni banko dingol lali nyi horma nyame na liya bunya wo horma montati wo bunya mon fanantati. Woni ndiro mu yalon ko Adama kawol beke alaji usenu la. It is purposely done to minimize the importance and the respect that Gambians have for Alhaji Hussein. Purposely. The same thing will be cake in Senegal right now. Jomai Faye la last finto. I will itandi because when he started talking, I mean follow for willing ko ate atata kaso to 1993. Now he is showing Usman Sonko ni mukewote. The actual concept is not about kasai minfo. I'm sorry to say this. Atata kasayoto well atata wulo kono. No, the message is he is trying to tell Usman Sonko I am bold enough to take decisions without asking you. And don't I will stand firm to continue whatever that I decide to do without your permission, without requesting anything from you. Now he want to show Senegalese now he is so I am only dida minanko they will go around kaitanduko alikabula Usman Noma Usman man pastef deda ama create modul de pastef create tata Usman Noma and those people including President Jomai Faye. Now they said they are into a coalition for President Jomai Faye 2029. You see what is happening? Now Jomai will yaje Adama takita nyame in the Gambia. Jomai tabe kela wol nyame. Instead of concentrating and building the country, sayang atabe talo in political norma. Ibe politician no le nyini la. Sayang jamale politiko ke makisala e pura etapale yake aning apply wade tema. Iko pamane dabi jele. Yenan kama. Ndafana ndenga modolo soto mu yalon kai was working with him. Ismaila ita Ismaila kama. Wofana ina ngamodo sutani nemulbe dokola ya e kompino la mati atomu ajalti wala atomu atodum fa aisatuleti yeta wol noma ike fan expanden tapale grupo mu yalon ko so grupo len ida mali na e lanyo kan ye bankola na fulo tika ya talanyo tema e koy katamu ne da politiko because there is only one concept wolen president wonin anyanta winala na be winna by force whatever it requires. Naturally, we should go to the extent of distributing the economy. Tilimbali akono hani molbe fala konkola it worth it. Wole keta Gambia jam. Nyana nalika nye million will be more people will be randomly people will be thinking adunta min tolto afinjita min tolto because malon nyimna fulo be dunta min tolto because it is already spent on politics. Adama yensi faleke. Instead of concentrating kabanko doku alota family, alota la patiele. Our only mission is to see Adama re-elected in 2021. This is what happened. Now, instead of engaging in developing the country, anya lota United Democratic Party lekang, anya lota Alhaji Hussein lekang. People that empowered him. I will do I will neng. Kabankola na fulo chika, katala mo dantan tema. So, kabing Adama Natana, he requested Jamal Lebi Jame Jamnu, who was working for Jame. Jamal le mala wulubalti. Jamal le mala wowolalti. Jamal le ka political kai. Jamal le tapale ya kai jang. Jamal le tinyaro kai. Jamal le ka sunyaro kai no. Now, ida male nyolon. Ida male alonye within that circle. Ibe alone Jamal wuloti. Jamal le nafikoti. Jamal le ntonya folati. Jamal le sungoti. Ye nyokumandi. Ne Adama mun kumandi kai ko nim pay nyolon. Pa kai nim bakari ye nyolon. Bakar kai ni Aissatou le no Aissatou fanan kai ko nim bintay nyolon. Introduction no kita wole nyama. But behind the scenes, there are people muli alongo. Those wole be Adama coordinate kan. Wole ba direct kan. Enyanta nyinne kela. Ibe nyinna fanan kela. Bank nyini mal la fila. Mili lafte le mantra wol jeka. Create division within the country. You have to go by tribe or by this or by that. Ngaji all of a sudden Adama came up, calling tribes, inviting them in the state house. What happened next? Tribe will start to kafoko. Adama manyana nyinkela. There is already conflict, and then division is created. This is what they wanted. Adama did not succeed, but he got what he wanted. When he succeeded man killing, but he got what he wanted. He was able to have a whole lot of people, Mulyalanko. He created this atmosphere, conflict atmosphere within our people, and then we fall for it. Namastata kanyo nenka anyo akis ka for. He was building himself. He was building his empire. And he was able to have Sidinjai Fabaka Tombonjata from APRC. He was also able to have grab some people from UDP and other political parties, including GDC. This is what happened. So this is what Adama did, and he succeeded. Jomai Fernando Simfada Kilmotaka. Now, the point lies this way. Nyamul baby diam kan they are leaders and political leaders lemoidi. Ite keno la fenti na manke political da malsi keno fenti. Andung ye fe ofendin na banko la fengole. Ntelle tamu anda kamuruna ntelleka. Ikan telle fengsunya yena ya dinna koteki in exchange of our voice, in exchange of our power, in exchange of our decision. Andung fengole la fengole. Now the point is, dunia fotata dulalto, mi yalon ko politiko kono, ninyaton ko nala interest nata, ayela fengo chika aya dila. Puri ite fona isi kango chika aya diala, ite fona manya na sino le ye mira, nyimum bebe kede, nyina interest mu nyine tuwala atina kadina, bari nyim kono ntila interest mu mineti. Nye mira, Usman Sonko temo ni Diomaye be nyamena, ye dingo tola mola, ye na muru kote ke ye dingo tola wo fana mba mala. You see how solid that relationship is. And we all believe, including myself, kabiring Diomaye be kala president, Usmani abulo mutala ya samana, aya ke candidate oti. And I tell Senegalese lako, the point is not about it's not Diomaye himself as a person. Nteli mbelori mfenne kanka fenne gibe, and Diomaye be all represent ka. Bi mbelori mba fasala. Sama ninga ke president na ka be ko nyimbula hanim bi mbelola le nga tilindi wo silo nyinna. Sa ni Diomaye tata fo Usman ka ba tilindi la wo silo la manso aya fansin silo ta. You people now think what would happen? There would be a massive conflict between these two people, and there will be wallahi political mumbekela Senegal ndene mamira ka be kala dato in the sub-region. It's just a replica of what happened in the Gambia, but atelebe intense la katambi Gambia tati ko Senegal wara bata Gambia tati la no Senegal dingole ala banko kanu katambi dingoti Gambia dingoti. We need to accept that. Now what happened? India mum bebe caring about Adama. Mo jamal be diamu tajang iko Alhaji Ousainou Adama Jamfade. Mo jama diamu tajang iko Alhaji Ousainou amam pare mo doya nyaton kaya nyimbanko ka. But I think a lot of people are not doing justice to Alhaji Ousainou. That is my stand. That is my view. Because Alhaji Ousainou la taro Adama la government kono ay kato beleke pour nyim man sakunda be tala nyala nyami yalon ko wole be kala bank wole be banko dingol fevola français ka fo mi ko rupture wole ka tilimbal ya bay ka corruption o bay ka nafiki ya bay ka tilingo sambana ka banko londi direction o mi yalon ko banko la nafa mo wolta nim banko dingol la nafa. Now if UDP want a government that would stand by the people and for the people and to relieve Gambians from the endless corruption, the killing, the nepotism, the injustice. Bari nyaton ko mu yalon ko wole tombong wato la mi yalon ko a lot of people in the leaders of UDP were jailed. Signing Adama ko atemang pareka comply with those people with that decision. For so mo kilimu yalon ko pareta ka to nyale sabatindi. Fo nyanta UDP le mutala accountable o nyanta Adama le mutala accountable. This is a question. Alhaji Ousainou nintelimul bulata noma. Mambula noma because a jamfatale, mambula noma because a sutiatale, mambula noma because a kontongo daboleti, mambula noma because abota dobole. Mbulata normal because na denda fennela andunga fenne yala su ala koto mi yalon ko lafta ka nyaton kayandi wo konyenna suko defen television fanso de je atafane ya fanso de je mbeden tanim fana na wo fana ya fanso de wolem bankoti woto ndelabulo Alhaji Ousainou noma amanke ko Alhaji Ousainou leng bari abelori minka wole yati nambulatano. Now nimbulatano ma wola afana nyaton ko soto kabirin ya jamme nga ya jamme bondi jam min keda Adama Baroti. Now ning Adama man pare ka comply with what the majority of Gambians want. Muna be da kala je wole nyo saboti and wonya nyo sabole keta Adama ning Gambia dingo tema mun keta United Democratic Party. So you in as much we want Adama to be straightforward and then to look in the interest of the country. Janna be kukela. Modul bijel muli alon ko also they want Adama ay ngobi ku fenko watonum fa muntaiga. Because wole mo itala interest. And unfortunately those are the people Adama listened to. Bankudin jama ma wo faham. Ikanyin so-called businessman on mulfote. Ikanyin mo kalanta on mulfote. You are not seeing them anywhere. Ikata mo kumalte nyim bankoka. Ila doko mo tapale yalti. Any president that comes, ikumomamfa, ibietala they will turn you against people mulialanko they elected you. Adama, these are the people that Adama listened to and consider their advices. Then the Gambian people mulialanko they stood by him. Kabirabe solarin ko plaso mara. Now he was listening to these people, and then they overcome him. He take decisions mulialanko. Anim banko dingol la banko la nyatuta anim banko dingol la nyatuta amanki kidingot. Now they convince him ko nila freye sinyu dlanto meje ibe banko la na flota le badun la nyinni to. Adama empowered people muli yalonko fongli yalonko nyimanya na kala ay banko la na flo ci kaya di mo la mili yalonko manki banko dingoti. People like Hadim Gay kabring Adama be struggle kan ay Hadim lo ni min tolto. Who brought Hadim to Adama? Fobanko di molte hakilo bula no la wol sifala. Nka mol mulu fa ebe maring ebe mabore in the corridors. Those are the people muli alonko they make that introductions. And unfortunately, some of our leaders listen to these people. Yajine mune atine ye kutu Adama. Now let me tell you, why those people don't want Alhaji Hussein to be elected as the president. Because ya lonne ko isi munke no Adam ali sabulo toromondo nyamina. Isa tulo muta nyamina ya saba. Ya nyakulo fetendi andu ya kerindi fennami ya lonka malla fikake. Andu ya kerindi fennami ya lonka ite lafta walla. Ito okay no la Alhaji Hussein. Now they know their interest is more reliant on Adama Barrow than Alhaji Hussein. The same thing applies to Talib Bensouda. Now they are playing their cards very well. Like telephone lafta changes la nyamena. UDP dingola nyantali wuli ali kunim politiko kono sai. Politiko na la kuoko yaje dunia kono. Iba kono. Ikatara kono nyamine ikamuta wala nyama. Ikatara kono nyamine fanankela card sol play wala nyama. Ila card sol iba play le nyadile. Ya play nyala mi yalonko will fit you and then will stand on your favor. Yaje nyimko mbebe kere. Nyinmu bela card sol play ka. Italiano ko Alhaji Hussein yena Talib yena wole bebete aleteto. Now if they see that ko akole ata nyawanyang nte Adama Murinino la State House, they will go for somebody miyalon ko they can convince in the future Ayatel satisfy than somebody miyalon ko nanata will hold them accountable for what they have done wrong to the Gambia and the Gambian people. Ni mumansa kundalti de andu mansakunda mo jama ba kono ikatela interest lela adinga hakilo to woto follow. You have few genuine people muli yalon ko they are patriots. Few people muli yalon ko they love the country, but that is very few. You have very limited people within that circle. Na be sodola jelefa kidim fula sabale. Now wala nanko nyinku manke wuru kumoti nying ko mu hakile kuwolti say ndelbe mine kala fonga Alhaji Hussein Samana. What should we do? Nying mfutata wo stage yato momu yesiye mira. This is what I can do as your own campaign manager. You talk to our people ngaitandi banku dingo la nyinde be kere mol be jeli miliyan ko ke balu banko la na fulola imam pare banko e kairos do imam pare banko e tiling because na kete telte balula andu nditeli baluta wole bankola ko matality nim banko mursa koma jamalle be batala wole carte fayal dim fuarolti because nim mo kemele ka carte fay nyim banko ka alon ko mo tan kononto ning worowlo bemu fuarolti say nim fuarol fanan itelle nyatota wole ye leader sambana mi yalonko abe lola tilingole kan abe tilingole sabatindila wo banko la nyatota wole be kala te ya priority. Because nim banko la nyato ta ketal nyato ko la priority alon ko wo banko ni wo tata nyato mol mul yalon ko wolden carte fayla ta ke andi keta fuaro wolde ke fanja kono bake nyina atina Alhaji Hussein la leadership anyanta kala banko dingol be la priority. Because nin Alhaji Hussein nata jang tilimbali yam be jaba baylale koroston be jaba baylale nepotism be jaba baylale tajiriyam be jaba aba baylale andunga be tilingole sabatindila wolem bankola interest. Bankola interest wolem banko dingola interest. This is the message that should be spread within our people. And the electorate should understand that ko nyinnem kutimi yalonko moli nyante ya wala ijantal nako nyinnem kutimi yalonko wolem muntela interest. Ila interest wolem they need a leader mo yalonko is responsible and have a love and have love for his country. It's crazy. Banko beta kan nyamina na flow beti nyakan. Adama salonko it's like ila korda kono ya lonko to nyato nyanna korda nsola ta mani boto la pour na dimbale balu. But instead of your mani boto sang ye mani boto fula sang wo wuli fulo kono wuli kilin keme woro wulo ne nyim femuntu taje ye ta san cemento la ya landi banda cemento be taraje te bungulo lala faye ja ila mule sola manola ite domuro kelay kono kense ngoy tara siri foy finti ta banta ida mali ta sapinyo ka walla ta daniro la modo ya walla ta si ka modo la domuro dom walla ta modo donto nyina tinna don to julobe faari banko kungola because ninna fulo sotota e intelligence kita minela don to ngambalu wala nka infrastructure development o kana wala adama be nyimum be foka ngani sila karle dida nga kurangole sambana nga fenko leke abe ka bonni min tolto banko dingol toye kata don to la wala na mon yanta wo fahamla le julobe banko be kungola. And there is one thing adama need to understand ko akana mira ko infrastructure development o kamo kilinesi ni muyano ko nyaton kole mati. He will only not understand na ya tarate mira ko silo muyano ko wole deda hana e silo bondi hana e trengol deda ka bondi Banjul fo basi adama ite silo deda la ablay wadama mun deda Senegal adama ite silo deda la Gambia Macky Sall mun deda Senegal Macky Sall ablay wada silo ke duma le Senegal aya ke santo Macky Sall nata silo aya silo ke duma aya ke santo e silo bondi Dakar da fo Kaolack peaso le muji ni bulata wo silo ni ko silo kono sar fo janni be futale noto hani nyanku moy nabi kabe bar fo yatina Senegalil ma jindi fo yatina le Senegalil ma fay bondi jang hana madi mo fenne be je mi yalon ko ka sola wala ni sola to wole ma soto ye fo fendi la hani lulu wole ngabi ke nyabo abike nyafa adama need to understand this NPP dingol mo katara wur lay be diamula adama isilol deda adama e kurangol di molla adama e fenkaten ndeka fo ko nyil fo e nyalle mata fo e man kende yale. You know why I say that? Because nga jele ko fenne be je mi yalon ko wole prioritize ta katambi silo ning aning kurang mi yalon ko ka wol di mol to nya kurang is necessary nsola kala bari for ya consume it should go in exchange of something wolen ibe kodolo bondi la yaake kurang kunto pour yo kurang stono bari janni be futala woto ite sola da fenne la mi yalon ko wole kati neita hakilo ta kurang la consume kan ibe kurang consume la nyamin wole konoti ando banku dingol fota wala bi ne microphone tilin Gambia din konontola wala dan Gambia din tan mo seyo be ba fele konkol be nyim banko ka fo adama tulobi ko moy fo masa kunda ma wo faham fo malon ko mulika diamo banko dingol le moyti and those are the concerned people wollem carte failati wolle ka carte fay those are the people that elect leaders bi ni wol ko konkole be la Adama is bragging of infrastructural development. And the mole solata minne ma wo soto no. Ite be bullo foka. Mol ke la bungol kono bari kono 15 ngol beje wo bungo kono. Mol ke la courant beje bari kono 15 ngol beje. You've had a lot of women, market vendors, they are all complaining about the hardship in the country. But in the Masakunda, Aquate Omoila, if into the Daudan, Adamai Silol de la, Adamai Kurango de Samananja, Adamai Gambia be Malale, but it's the capital of Oman Kuransodono. Kurangoyan Takila Dami Fongolto. Mulfolialon, all the solar of Kuranga Fomobeti, because he led Banco be Woleto, Bancola do Kobe Woleto. Inyantaka Kurango provide world to a sufficient electricity supply. Mialonko will go 24/7. Kurang because to know what everybody is complaining. Nim kurang be kedin fa ibi kalon because anyanta dila mulla nyame na masoto wo nyama. You are bragging of giving people mulialonko. To nya is olaro kurang wala but is very limited. Their need in electricity is very limited. United Democratic Party ko be banal. Alaji Hussein leadership ko be banal. I am not at a very good position to talk about this. But let me tell you, I want to take the opportunity. Ndembota jinakile. Ndemu Gambia dingoleti. Mfabota jinakile. Mbabota jinakile. Ndefabota jinak Gambia le. Mbama bota jinak Senegal le. Tonya alaf parents all they migrate from Senegal. Kana karang. Then few of the family went to Jinak. Otonde mu Jinak in ko pirleti. Lafta min fola jam. I want people to listen to me very attentively. And the economy code. Jinak balu mun kakeje. Ike balu nyamola. Nde wuluta le nga wotara. Nkuluta kono. Nyafa nuta kono. Ngawle sute. Andu ngawle tuje fo kabirin kabondi je. Yendi minna abe sirin Jinak no. Aye balu wole kono fa beleta. Nte manyama do ma nyandi. Nte ne manyamo sabandala. Andun ta fono la nyamo fo nyimu kewol ti fo musole mati. Mo wolong tonya. Katun ni kabiri ngam fan sute konte mo hada madingota I'm responsible nte ne manyamo ne ma doku fangon nte manyamo fango doku na duniya kono. Bara mambo ni Jinak yato de. Bawonte mo Jinak dingondi. Min kala Jinak. I am half and half into it. Man la fi nyama doye ke Jinak. Lafta feye ke Jinak mi yalonko. Abi developino sambala nang. Abi mul la baluo sone yandile. Andung ni be diamula. They talk comfortably. Mo kane blame ko nyilibe engage kan kule la mi yalonko is illegal. Mbiye sontala ko Jinak nyama do. Jinak len dula do to nyama do ka kedawa danto is illegal activity. Ye baluwala dino lembang luwa lembang hada madiya le mo kilinti je mi yalon ka sontal nte sonta wala nte pamani ba dig government nata e ko bi lafta nyama do bondi Jinak sonta wala ko nyama do nyanta bola Jinak le abek kala in exchange of something anda manya na kila promise oti because Jinakin ko ke balu nyama dolla andu Jinakin ko yolo nyami na ko ete ke balu nyama dolla government ani mul yalon ko wolle be mansakunda kono woli fana yalo wole nya now ni lafta nyama do e bondi Jinaki ni be fengo tala mo bula ke balu minna e ka fenne diala nyante balu la minna bari te yatara mo be balu kan fenna mi yalon ko ake balu wala kala family balundi wala yena yo bonda bulo kono in as much yalon ko is illegal imanya na bulala wo nyam because whatever the cases anyante balula hani dino astora jede iko dolo wafu mambetea sewo domo mambetea dolo mi mo mambetea bani be lato dam yalon ko nyanta dolo lo minna for you to survive inyanta sewo le nyimila for you to survive inyanta dolo wafu le kala pour ye balu wala fo inyanta dolo wafi lale fo janni be fenjela ni yalon ko wole fisata jolo wala wole fisata dolo wafo di ena dolo wafo bula pour ye balu no wala. Now if the government says they want UDP to stop cultivating wala growing atodum fan cannabis woto nyanta fendino la in exchange bakindi kabintel be ndiyala nga bondi Jinak le 3 kilometers almost 3 kilometers from Jinak nga kurungole ja ngana do ko la nyomi bakindiki koto nin nata so manda nga do ko ke nka nyoke wolta nintio ularo nga sei dala ndiya wato nga woleke ntata yodo fanan cika ya di foreigner bi mul yalon ko wolle be je alkali yala wol bota Senegal le Jinakin kol tata la police nyajel man sakunda e minke nte ma foke ku jawole kede bari ya Kenya min na wo jaw yatal ko nte man son nyama dola andu mo kilinten sondi la nyama dola andu nte mo encourage la nyama do ko hani kute je dino man songala banni mo la balo be lare wole kan e nyanta do kuno la because foye balu Nema sakunda ko Jinakin ko ye fo nyama dola e nyanta fenne dino le be balula minna in exchange ta Jinak bara Senegal man sakunda e minke korda every household ye opportunity dilale e be kulungo dile la na masi nim masingo ka san $100,000 islela ni $15,000 sambaje ibe masingo chikala ya dina woso bensono masakunda le ko wol be kita makisala la masakunda le ko ye kurango chika ya dila ye jie chika ya dila ni mira jinak bara la jie bota daminto ite na jibe kajate la jie nyanta bondi la daminta ni niji ajokolo ko jinak bara mi yalon ko be Senegal le yala jie bondi Banjul ya samba katon ye kajate ni niji la jie bondi Banjul ya samba Serekunda Gambia man nyinkeno ka bondi Banjul kata Serekunda ba Senegal ya nole ka bondi Banjul kata katon because they care about their citizens anu ni jinak bara jibe anani sistano kajate konole man ni jifu jinak bara ni jata ko combine de inani si dunno kajate konole marin kundale ngeti because mbama woto but this is the open reality. But Senegalese government are able to provide all their needs. Kurang beje generate kutole wole sambaina. A solar panel uncountable solar panels wole beje eka kurang dila ilaftala nyami. Kajate ni beje anything that you cannot provide for yourself as an ordinary person, it has to all. But mol man fasi man sakunda bulu. Alkalo mun beje no. Ntena ka kacha bakete bayan kuba. And watu la kathofim fonye ni tata alafu mansakunda eko ntelima mbala mansakunda bulunka namo yole nyanta no la nyamin bal wo namo nyine mamuru jina kinkolka. And what happened is there was a time Adama Barrow and his government ntama wo time of Aissatou Touré benu vice president yala I think so Aissatou Touré they wanted to grab a huge amount of hectares from a Jinakin called land. I am part of people Mulialon Kongansi Modor Walker. Namitno Kijane, no Kul Kijane, Hani Domandim Fangol Damal Molbe Sela Nyola. Ilaftadi la Jamala, few business people Mulialon Koypotan Senegal. Well not a ko Italy estate of the Damiaron Kolbe Senegal, Jamnyajo, they want to build the same estate in Jinak. Now they want to exchange the land of Jinak into Malonfo. Loptano ni malon fo school ni something else. And ate Adama da do konole. Nga singolo wokan. Because nina kin call tata meeting olale to the vice presidency. Ntellen singolo wokan. Kabirin alaji usenu be vice president yala. Nte pamani le nyaton kaya. Ntata jinak le ngatara kebali o time o watola the former to dum fa alkalo be jenum bayan kuba. And few elders I heard them speaking that they wanted to meet the vice presidents or whether anybody is a leader for protection them bang. They were testing, I don't know. But I called somebody, it's not appointment. It wasn't Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Mr. Dabo are called to meet people from Jinak. We were about more Tani Lulisi, something like that. We met by then. Mr. Dabo was the vice president. Nasila Kole Kumboye, an NGO. Mr. Dabo promised that ko ibe silo dila jinaklale and ibe jie dila jinaklale. From what I witnessed, kumol nata jele from kanaka sumandiro ke puri jinak be silo ni jesto no la nyamen. Atana Mr. Dabo be vice president. But until the time Mr. Dabo Bayo is less than 3 weeks. So Mr. Dabo was ready to provide Jinak people with their need because he don't know is solo like. Nimman sakunda ye kumandi aye nyininka yi sola tabul minne ka wole fay. Ya jame jamano be janne. Jawara la jamano nata janne. Ya jame ta nata janne. Will be alone ko jinak ikanyamodo kude. But it may stop now completely because they were not able to provide them with the something they can engage on. Puri balwala. andu jinak irosuno e batando mun ke jela unless and until if fango ita jeje nyim medial multata jinak they didn't do their work right. If I were to give information regarding ko mu yalon ko leketa mbeta root cause ni nenoma mini ati na nyideka only depend on nyamo pour ya fi pour ye balwala muni ati na fendo man kenoje muna ne jabo man kenoje wala patato wala patanse wala fendo. I would have shown the world nyinne ati na nyimman keno, but they wanted to see what they want people to see. Wala netara individual no maye nyininka. We know what happened in Jinak because ndermu Jinak in quality moy bike falla bantabato mulu diamta kuno ni man diam because mulu diamta kuno wol bemo alfati representative of the alkalo wo munte fango famalti alkalo munte fango famalti ndela soko ni Jinak nteleka alkali anteleka almamia almamo mbe jem ko tole mati yente na telefono samba karawulo kono baw marmania. So nta mu Jinak dingo piroliti ni wol fintite diamta Jinak la kola nta fana ni mu Jinak koti nkadiamu no mole nyanta fono la. This is my thought on this case. Bandere min fola man sakundai ko mambalanko aliya foko nyamo nyanta abolislan en Jinak nyamo nyanta kuntula jela do ko ndete balon no la wala andu mampare ka balangala andu momum balanta la fanante ni tete eni mo be na la opinion ne banal ma bondi la je ale fen sambane be balu la minna ale mun la nyama kunko tinya wodla ala lon ko dimba ya tele wolti andu nyanta ke balule nyanta ke balule de fuma sakunda kilingo nyanta fahamla ko ntedi yalo ne ko those 3 tons of cocaine mu yalo ka dunta nyimbango ka iko banta ketal tam momalo jamale bamta ketata dunta min told cocaine o momalo nga dunta min told. And then you said the same government said they are fighting against drug consumption in the country. Aninga hakilo tu woto bakede man sakunda alkana mol bulo tromondong because you are comfortable and aliye mol bula those kind of funny situation okona. Jinakinkas are crying and they are crying very loudly. I am not encouraging Jinakin kole nyamo doku andu momu mbe encourage kante ni tente bari mbe min foka man sakunda e ko nal be nyama do bondi la Jinakin kole bulu ali fendile be balula min. Provide them with boats, for instance. Provide them with something. Mi yalonko e be balula. Jinak is a cost mi yalonko. Alsi hotel so lojo asi keno a comfortable tourist industry mi yalonko hana manke Jinak fonda mat. But Gambia dingo be si balu no jeli. Because it's already a face. A face mi yalonko e be da odanto dunia sa jeno le. Fengo bele si keno Jinak kono. Fe yemira fe ofen. But Jinakin ko me baluno with the type of land they have and the film basic keno look Jinak belori nyamina sali belori won nyama mbur sali zuwal wol belori wol nyama ka bondi jifer fo ngunuma but Serekunda sorry Senegal ma sakunda ye je explore because they are seeing something different and in the future Ntelama Sakunda they are only seeing what will continue to install and to restate Adama Barrow in that state house. Nina masiboti Nina banko tora Nina banko dingol mantano Nina na everybody is crying including Jinak. Adama the only activity that he engaged Kabila Sita Jang 2017 for me is politics, open politics. Every time he talk, he is addressing politics, minimizing political leaders, insulting and disrespecting leaders mi yalonko banko dimol nyalbe lori wolleka. So mbejine fola moli si hakilo to back mambula dabo noma because mo nyimalen wala loyale mati no mbe bulari fenne noma mi yalonko mbele ya doko andum anyantan telle nafa nga dabo ke nyaton ko tan dun jikitala ko abo wo nyaton kaya aba ma fala andum exactly that's what happened so nyina nambe bulari nga no nyina tita modoli fanan ben kono mi yalonko ni aje lungo doli dabo e kuke mi yalonko itel believe ta ko amanya nakela UDP stand ta mi yalonko itel believe ta ka amanya na tala UDP decision ta mi yalonko they feel ko ani tella opinion man killing they come out to voice it out publicly. That is loyalty. That is consistency. That is showing how much you care about that institution. But the point is, Senegal tabe nyamina, Gambia tabe ole nyama. Adama Barrow he read from Macky Sall's book. Now Jomai is reading from Adama's book. This is what is happening. Adama ay tilimbali amunke Gambia, ay jamfa munke Alaji Hussein la, ay jamfa munke UDP la, ay jamfa munke Banku Dingo la muliye karte fay. Jomai fay wo jamfa kilingo. Komi Adama ya karanka bondi makibuli nyamene, Jomai ba karanka wol nyama. Disrespectful statements from Adama towards Ms. Dabo, Jomai be woldi daka. They will recruit people to insult Usman. Like Adama did. I was part of people they wanted to recruit. I was offered opportunities if I had taken it. Probably funding Kedol Bijang, their media house owners, I may also have an opportunity. There are people they are living here. Because I was the first person in approach. Praka coverage ke what more mommy miracle NPP bestolale. What more baro President Baro for Malon Nyadi development will be gay. And then youths Mulialonko they were leading that thing. We had a lot of confrontation with those people. But Gambians should understand this. Nyina mu barola interest. Ane mol Mulialonko le bakoma. But telefona na interest mo neti. Alinga hakilo to woto bakede. Because telefona interest la soto nyinko kono. Muna muntella interest ye. If Barrow and his allies are standing and then following, pursuing their own interest, in this case, muna muntella interest. And at the end of the day, Barrow will need our votes. In as much he wants to steal the elections. At the end of the day, he needs our votes. Ndingol lebejam, mamaringol lebejam, bawol lebejam, fawol lebejam. Bankona kole atantele ka kalamta. For example, a lot of people are model be able to small tele because of I am so 100%. But let me tell you one thing. Barrow is comfortable with his family in Banjul in the state house, drinking and eating from the taxpayers' money. Electricity ba mala, air conditioner ba fela. Ndeli fuarol muliyalon ko fentembulu balu nya fanko koleyambulu. We are insulting, fighting. We don't even want to reason. Malafikamira. The reason why all this is happening to us. Who is responsible now? Is Barrow responsible or are we responsible? Who is responsible? This question is legit. Who is responsible? Is Barrow or ourselves? In as much we want to put Barrow into accounts, because at the end of the day, we are the decision makers. In decision making sita, we run from responsibilities because he has sukur kilo fulo mu yaron ko e kadi mol. Ata ma nyim manke maloti. Momu yaron ka be baluri nga me kalamta malo e boda min dol fawta. Sunkaro ina e sukur kilo sabachika akana ate so wala. He is coming to buy you. He is coming to buy you does not mean ko abe sanna la yeke boto ko na te fay mbalito. Hani mum muy tete akawle sa. wala muy kamati wala muy la kumoti wala muy responsibility wala muy la banku di yata ko wala sebu. He is minimizing your voice. In your own country, Miyalonko, you have a say. Talib Kawale Kala. We have been here. Talib is over 30 something years. Amali Kalamta for Nina. For Kabila Dunda political corner. Now what we should do is, as responsible people, Molmulianoko Hanama Dingol Lemuiti, Bankudin Kendo Lemuiti, Hanama Dingo Ike Mira. We should be questioning ourselves. Talib Kanyamun Dintella, Akaboni Mintol, Kili. Baro Kanyamun Dintella, Akaboni Mintol. Muni atinaka dinna. In exchange of what? I mean until solar table sukuro because until move forward. But wala moya atina yin sukuro samalantelka. But ate solar tam teligulu minela, me atina nin sukuro natanka. Wante mirano awal. I think we should also reason. I think we should also think about our future. Not only our future, but we have families. There is our kids, our grandkids, and their future. But in Kasom Mulika Nene for their own interest. In Kasom Mulika Nene because they want to feel comfort from our taxes. Esuguru kilo kilindi nabi. Nyeke president sama because nga karte wole fayi wole ke president. Yesuguru kilo mundina akasanjela. Nasi ada fasi ada manjala si keme woro wala si. Ye namuru kote ke ta wuli keme ululu ta. Purunde fangoda mala ko. Ya ke la hajot ya du la dimbal la hajot. Ye na kote kin ka tax jo ike balu wala ike dimbal ke balu wala. Ila family ke balu ye sib la ta dabi yalon ko ni bele denta fenna ni bele denta jela. Kapedi wala nga mira. Politiko ye jomai moile ako politiko munyo saboleti. Wole ka diandi. A responsible leader. Because that is what he wants people to know. He is going into confrontation with Usman Sonko. You know? Ye baro inso ya samane kaya ko kalanta ya kumo foe. That they will they will not think none at any political platform given to him. Aina kalanta ya kumo fonyi. Idea mo ay pare ndamali ye nyo so. We don't even know I mean for what it means. How beneficial it will be to us and our people, of course the country. Very silly people I will let I lana dama. You know. Is it Baro criticize, you can say anything. But in as much that he take the position of that belongs to the Gambians. I banko dingola na fulum fana chika adila. I moto kendol chika ya adila. Ida mali banko dingola resources tala nyotema. They are always comfortable with whatever decision that it comes with. And then hanatara banko na fulo bele chika la batinyala. They do not care because they don't have love for this country. But you know what happened? We always into confrontation. That is why the country is sinking. You know, this country is a mess. It's definitely a mess, and we need to fix this. We need to fix what is going on here. And anyanta kila atariata nyaonya. Balafa wata de nyimbanko. Balafa wata bake nyimbanko. And banku dingolu mbemo betentula cause lomandimena mira andun kolko mina don be kuma dan tan fola unfortunately mba fola nyamin for unfortunately mbanku fortunately le meta jane do manding we have lot of things to do janim bella la fana woto do be monkela rongole kamol be tentu kamol fana be jay because definitely is the country need our help. The country need our help. We have to talk. We have to talk maturely. We need to engage one another, and it should be done maturely. We have to convey our messages. Ngaitani banku dimulla. Mune mun tell responsibility, but mune mu telefona responsibility. You don't have to be intelligent for you to go to school. There are things muli along go those will mutera ter quality. Atalala nyanda kota. And you know, nyaton ko mu yalon ko aka fengo sambale na mpuri ye lamo yala. Along ko ni wo fengo nyin a sola table mun na soto. Abe min tale bulu wole be si ala e min dila. Muli ola. Nyimba ko be kole adinede. Abe kole adin back, but at the end of the day, I think always Adam ale be deception on stola. You know why I say that? Mena kumo kumfala njane. Yaje kabondi bo marishe. Kabondi bo marishe. Mol tata Dakar. Kabondi bo marishe. Kata foy dumbur. Ye continue eta Thiès. Ye continue yetani Jurbel foy futa Touba. Abe mu payazolti. Be payas. Very well standard. Si lolu wolle biye. Anda be keta minela. Akuma standing Ablaye Wade la Mansakunda Allah. Wo si lolu muli yalon koy bota kabondi Petersen fo Parcelles Assainies. Wo si lolu be President Ablaye Wade le keje. Wato me Dakar. Nga sanji jama ke ngama almost about 6 years me Dakar. Nga jele rapid development mu yalon kay wala samananje. But kabering ay ku ke mi yalon ka manya na kala Senegalese, they ask him out. They said you are not staying anymore. So it is not infrastructural development mi yalon ko wala ka mansa sindi place on. There are things muli yalon ko abika kumme nyakoto. And wala ka ke points muli yalon ko wala ke muta opposition on it. Ablaye Wade Macky Sall le abondiye. And Macky Sall Ablaye abondiye nyamina. Ablaye gave Macky all the opportunities. Price ye. Prae tarala Mansakunda kono. Abe dipte yalla. Janna ka ke dipte he was a governor, I think. But ngalo no ka be dipte yalla. Aboda dipte yalla dunina Mansakunda kono. Fa ke vice president. Kabiri Macky Sall pareta la timbali yalla with the help of the French government and all those people. Partenaria mi yaron kay wolle bill in the western countries. I Ablaye le chokas. I Ablaye chokas ama Ablaye sotono. Atata Ablaye dingo noma. Because alon ko mo dingo mun keta kadu mo wadde. I Karim chokas, Karib dalta, Karib yama. So instead of moli halon ko makile ni moli chokas. Because Ablaye is the president and his son is also powerful. Kabiri will reacted wrong. Senegalese started sympathizing with Macky Sall. That is when he left the government. Adunta wulo kono atata campaign. Senegalese sympathized with him. Moli karte faya ke president. But Mojama starter what can believe ko Ablaye is going, but I love to kadingole samananka ke president. A lot of people never subscribe with that idea. So a lot of people said, "Go look until Lola Ablaye fe. We will abandon him." But they all knew ko I do ku baleke wondat. I Dakar transform in a very rapid way. So ala development o kita wole nyama with the collaboration with the Chinese. So wolle wodo ko samananja they started building a lot of roads me yalon ko wolle keji. All right. So Kabiri Macky Sall nata fanang he took on that part because Mansakunda mu continuation do quality. So silol mu yalon ko lebe je Kabiri Ablaye Wade beje wole silol timi yalon ko peazo mi yalon ka si bondi fenka kata fo jam nyaajo you will be a peazo tino. So Macky Sall extended. I do samba Touba, I do samba Mbur, sign do fele wokata Kaula. All right, do tata chase. You know, peazo you can easily access to whatever destination that you are going through without, you know, ikana delay and sort of. So Senegal need be bigele. anin wori infrastructure development on muli yalon ko ka wolle ko dal to mi yalon ko within Dakar fongo damma Dakar bini tata jenni koy mantara tubab du la dol be jetala ala president le o keje bari fo molu hanim bi woy wo mun keje wole yatine bulata president no because they needed something that was not provided to them o la man saketa fenet mi yalon ko they never supported that so adama kana miracle in sila fulo mu yalon kay wole ke gambe wole batina banko di mul ba singila adama have not done any development in the country compared to the loan and taxes that are collected from the Gambians and I loan munta in the name of the Gambian people. Instead, we think ko I had misplaced priority like etaje. This is our stand as genuine Gambians and ngajiro ke wala nyama. Now, if Adama is thinking that ko kurangol le nata mislanding, wala kurangol samba kersanya, wala kurangol samba Sanja Motel, wala kurangol samba this and that. Wala ala responsibility le mpura kurang samba je. That is his responsibility. Wo Martin na mulbe karte faila by force. Na kurang samba wodlat. Atara mulbe wo sate kon muri alonko. Kurang katana marala sate kon. Bare ka wulle kono kensa. Do you think those people would support Adama to lead them again in another 5 years? Yaje Adama bari ni mwaka Kenyaminna. For example, Amadou Sane. His actions are not complying to what atodum fang Masakunda nyanta. Look, Molma Adama Tombong for our family a banko dingol lead. We elected him because he want to lead the Gambian people. Anyanta alona what is family business, what is his relationship with his family, and why is he elected as the president of the Gambia. Anyanta ya ubondi nyoto. Basai naya miracle Amadou Sane anyanta nalala bankola na flo chika ya diala a business ol diala a kuolike a mol samana umuyalo ko they are his family members and he want to give the responsibilities miyalonko wol nyanta dila mol miyalonko they are competent and then they are Gambians I will feel yeah they are from all the family members. This is when nepotism came and then that is one of the reasons miyalonko Senegalese relief atudum President Ablaye Wade from his position as the president. This is the point. Wala nanko aliyeko mol mulka Adama advice modol bije wolman faham roki. And Adama Fanang is not reading from the history mi yalonko ala nyimmo fulolu muli yalonko president wala muiti tamira woltola. But it's just unfortunate. We have leaders mi yalonko they are very irresponsible and they became miracle. There are people that went into hell. Molle lota nyetilo kono purunte kitara ni kato bi Adama kita wole nyama Makisala kita wole nyama anu jomai fanambe ke ka wole nyama nyima si bombe be kering abelalen telle kam tel mul yaran ko we are ordinary voters war wutung dia mo si atan si mobe tentu ngamobe jayi ngamobe nimbara mi yaran ko e kala moyle sokuta ikalla moyle banko kuna nim banko bantala benala time to time to talk about such dialogue wala to have a dialogue with the Gambians to talk about things and all that si mobe tentu mi yaran ko e kala moyle si mobe tentu mi yaran ko e kala moy banko kuna fana nim banko bantala mi mole kirin tentu mi yaran ko there you are either in Africa, in Asia, America, Europe, salbe kilin tento. Sidu albe sunkaro na jama tara anin fanan ina junubol be kafari min kita Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ngalon na fenno min tamita woti almala yo kenyi ay harje fana yirwa en sosi jambani jara kende ala ay enke multimillion ko be talalo ren tilingol no man diade bar butun si ferol ke min bati nala kodol diate ke kodi wala ke kodi wala pro si banko dingol be tento si mol fana be jayi si duwana nyaton kolye surtout mol million ko be jikili wolela kodi nata ibe kelanye mo kendo leti ibe banko fana bondi la banko be kele la priority ko alamang ala kanan na yakarota sila kuwata utum si mobe tan si mobe nan be jayi si mon dimba alnal badi ma pa mani ala baraka ba tan